Everybody get up.
Welcome to Chesnell Gabriel TV show. My name is Chesnell Gabriel and this is Lon. What's up, dog? My bad.
How dare you call me dog? Do you see a tail on my back?
Sorry, dude. I didn't mean to disrespect you or anything. What's cooking?
Nothing's cooking. Is somebody cooking here? I don't smell anything.
Dude, it seems like you have a little difficulty to understand what I'm trying to ask you. So, what's up?
Nothing's up. I want to see you sing another night.
You really have problem. What's shaking them?
Nothing's shaking. Are we having an earthquake?
How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you.
Dude. Really? Really? Seriously? Cut. I cannot interview that little kid.
I'm not little.
Dude, you wanna take over my show? It's not gonna happen, buddy.
It's very nice to meet you, sir.
Please leave the show!